Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for yet another exciting video. Today we made a list of the best products based on their durability, value for money, overall performance and many others. As always, check on the description below to see the product links and get to know more about them.
Dashcams are designed to capture every sound and image of events in the car and on the roads. It helps to record critical moments that come in handy in many situations. It offers first evidence in car accidents, captures crime, prevents insurance fraud, impaired driving, and records road trip memories and unexpected occurrences.
Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
This compact dashcam comes with an extra wide 180-degree field of view and captures crisp 1440p footage, and its HDR provides increased detail in low-light situations. Its auto-sync enables you to control and play back footage from up to 4 cameras on your smartphone using the Garmin Drive app. And its voice control allows you to save footage, start or stop audio recording, and start or stop the travel app's video. Plus, its Real Vision can automatically display a camera view when approaching destinations, including addresses and geographic coordinates. And its lane departure warning can alert the driver if the vehicle veers out of the driving lane.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comments section below.
This Dashcam Mini can capture 1920 by 1080 resolution video at up to 30 frames per second and features a wide 140 degrees lens and built-in microphone and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. It can automatically record and save videos of incidents with an 8 GB micro SD card, class 10 or faster. And its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity helps to upload saved footage to your compatible smartphone with the Garmin Drive app. Plus, its auto-sync enables you to control and play back footage from up to 4 cameras in the Garmin Drive app for iOS and Android. And its included dual USB adapter allows you to power the dashcam while charging devices like smartphones or tablets.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This U1000 Wi-Fi dashcam from Thinkware on the windshield can record video of the road and uses an 8.42 megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor to capture 3840 by 2160 resolution video at 30 frames per second. It features a 150-degree diagonal field of view, a built-in speaker and microphone, and a GPS antenna for tracking your vehicle's location, speed, and direction of travel. And its driver assistance provides forward collision, lane departure, and front vehicle departure warnings to keep you safe while on the road. Plus, its proprietary file management system can prevent data loss and corruption of captured footage on the microSD card. And its cloud app for iOS and Android enables live viewing, remote management, and notifications for an enhanced user experience.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This Blackvue dashcam features an 8 megapixel CMOS sensor and records 4K ultra high definition at 30 frames per second. Its GPS can visualize your vehicle's location on the map during video playback and overlay speed on videos. And its Wi-Fi connectivity helps download files at blazing speed and lets you connect to Blackvue Cloud via any home or mobile Wi-Fi hotspot. Plus, it can be hardwired to your vehicle's fuse panel for parking mode without requiring optional accessories. And it can record in a loop, overwriting older files when the memory is full and prevents the event files from overwriting.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
This Nextbase 522GW dashcam comes with an Alexa built-in feature and utilizes voice commands to play music, check the weather, and control smart home devices. Its high-quality 1440p video recording allows you to capture sharp, high-definition footage at 30 frames per second. And its 40-degree viewing angle provides expansive shooting coverage with minimal edge-to-edge distortion. Plus, its integrated 3-inch IPS touchscreen offers an interactive interface and high clarity. And its emergency SOS features an emergency response to alert the emergency services to your location in the event of an accident. Furthermore, its Bluetooth 4.2 and Wi-Fi connectivity will let you automatically synchronize files to your phone. And it also renders a micro SD card support of up to 128 gigabytes and expands the camera storage and recording capabilities.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
This Q800 Pro Wi-Fi dashcam from Thinkware uses a 5.14 megapixel 1x2.8 inch Sony Exmar R-Starvis image sensor and captures 2560 by 1440 resolution video at 30 frames per second. It has a built-in GPS antenna for tracking your vehicle's location, speed, and direction of travel, with support for up to 20 geofence zones. And its 3-axis G sensor can trigger emergency recording and saves captured video 10 seconds before and after the incident. Plus, its parking mode enables low light recording, time-lapse recording, impact detection while your vehicle is parked, motion detection, and an energy-saving mode. And its advanced driver assistance system can alert the driver of potential forward collisions, lane departures, and front vehicle departures.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.